therein lies a challenge for me and the challenge for some people, because they're saying, here we have a unit playing a very important role, untroubled since 2016. I'm talking about you now and the people who work with you. Many of them perhaps would have been there from that time, maybe later. And to say, well, you could have a situation, or you could have situations, where a decision comes from the ECJ based on an investigation that your unit does, and it comes out in the wash that the decision that causes angst was based on a recommendation coming from your unit. And now the invective of the political tribes, and however you want to say it, we have political tribes in Jamaica, especially at election time. And people are saying this heat is unnecessary to bring to bear on Ms. Thompson and her colleagues. Do you see it that way?
No, I don't. Recommendations would not in any way be partisan. They'd be supported by what is listed in law. So it really would be outlining the findings, perhaps pointing to what the law specifies. And remember, the options available to the political ombudsman, remember, you will recommend remediating actions, of course, steps that could be taken to remediate the situation. So basically, there is a mediatory process. The actions of the decisions of the commission really emanates from the commission, and as I said, recommendations are. It's if we want to think of it as an academic way of saying producing this full report, the findings are listed in law and we will outline as a conclusion. However, the decision comes from the political ombudsman.
Hear you on that. LaFron Thompson, thank you very much. I wish you all the best. You're going to need the public's support. I hope you have thick skin, because I can tell you, when these tribes are fired up by the heat of the election campaign, they take no prisoners, and it's scorched earth from them.